everyone. Welcome back, friends, to CAD CAM tutorial to make your own design with Simon Sen. So, जैसा कि आप लोगों ने देखा, लास्ट वीडियो में हमने डिस्कस किया था कि basic commands of SolidWorks, how we construct a geometry for the normal using basic commands of SolidWorks. So, आज हम लोग देखने वाले हैं कि कैसे एक अच्छी डिज़ाइन को कंस्ट्रक्ट किया जाए कोई भी स्पेसिफिक डायमेंशंस के अकॉर्डिंग। तो आज हम लोग एक कंप्लीट बाइसिकल टायर का जो है वो डिज़ाइन कंस्ट्रक्ट करेंगे। तो फर्स्ट मैं आप लोगों को दिखा देता हूँ कि क्या हमें कंस्ट्रक्ट करना है। एज प्रायर आई हैव मेड इट। सो दिस इज द drawing which we are going to create. In this video you will learn how to create a complete drawing of a bicycle tire with all the materials and all the accessories of a bicycle tire. So here you can see a bicycle tire design where a tire, rim and the basic format of the bicycle tire is created in it. So you can see some views of this tire, the normal view, the isometric view, and you can also see by rotating it. So this is we are going to create, and with me you can also create this by using some basic commands and some basic tools also. So today we will create a bicycle tire this as much. Okay friends, so let's start. So first we need to close this drawing. Now first we need to select a new drawing. After that we are going to create a part, and so first we select the part design and choose OK. This is taking some time because here is internet issue, so we need to manage it. Okay, so from now we will see how to create a construct geometry of a bicycle tire. So here you can see three planes are there. So first we select a top plane because we need to revolve our geometry. So select top plane and go to the sketch. Here is, and I think some issues has occurred there. So first we close it, and now we can go to the sketch. Okay, so now first we need to draw a center line. So select center line and draw a center line from the origin point, and we need to draw a straight line. So we just need to check it, the line is straight or not. Exit. Now specify the dimension of this center line as 50 mm. I have already uploaded an overview of this entire explanation, so you can watch the overview also, and then you can watch this video and create your own. Now we select a center rectangle and draw a rectangle on that point. At this point we need to draw a center rectangle, and choose OK. So now specify the dimension of this rectangle, as the vertical line is 7 mm and the horizontal line as 3 mm, and choose OK. Now we need to select a 3-point arc and draw one arc from this point to this point, and give the radius for this arc as 10 mm. Now we need to delete this two line, so select line and delete this one also and delete. Now again we select a line and draw one line from this point downward direction, and now we need to create a half circle and one horizontal line. Choose exit. Sorry. Now specify the dimension of these. This one is 0.2 mm. The half circle radius is 0.25 mm, and this one line as 0.67 mm, and choose OK. Now we need to mirror this entity for the other side, so select mirror entity and select these three lines, this one, this half circle and this line. Choose mirror about and select the center line and choose OK. Now you can see the geometry is fully defined, and here is a mirror image of this line is created. So now we need to connect these 2 points by using a 3-point arc. So select 3-point arc, connect these 2 points, and keep the dimension of this radius as 6.5 mm. Choose OK. Now we need to put some fillet on this sketch, so select fillet, specify the dimension of this fillet as 1 mm and select these 2 points. I think it's getting something wrong, so get exit and select again fillet and specify the dimension as 1 mm of fillet, and now we need to select yes. Now the fillet has created. We need to give some more fillets, so specify the dimension of other fillets as 0.4 mm and select these 2 points, this one and the other side, this one, and choose OK. One more fillet is required for this corner point, so specify the dimension of this fillet as 0.1 mm and select this point and this point also and choose OK. Now you can see fillet has created for all, so choose OK and exit. Now we need to create an offset entity for this, so select offset entity, specify the dimension of this as 0.5 mm and select this line, and we need to create an offset entity as inside, so select reverse. Here you can see a highlighted area is the inside offset entity, choose OK. So offset entity has been created. Now we need to revolve this drawing, so go to the features and select revolved boss base. We need to select axis. Okay, here we forget one thing to draw, so again choose normal and draw one more center line from the origin for the revolving axis, from the origin to the vertical direction. No need to specify the dimension of this center line. Now we can choose features and revolve boss base and axis of revolution, so the recent created center line as the axis, and here you can see a revolved is created. So basically this is our rim, and we can see the cut of this as we required. So here you can see this is our rim. The inside surface is created a hole for pins. We create some pins for this, so cut this and make it as normal. Okay, now we need to hide the top plane and select front plane. Select front plane and sketch. Okay, I hope you all are understanding what I am explaining. If you have any problem for English understanding, then please comment in the comment section, so I will explain the entire process in Hindi also. And if you are comfortable with English, then go with the exact commands, use it and create your own design. And don't forget to subscribe my channel, and please like and share also. Now on the front plane we will create a circle at the origin point. The dimension of this circle as 10 mm. I think it should be 5 mm. So we required a 10 mm circle, but before it we required a 5 mm circle for a shaft. So smart dimension and select circle and specify the dimension as 5 mm. We can easily modify the dimensions of any particular drawing in SolidWorks by selecting Smart Dimension and modify it. Sorry. So now we need to select features and extruded base boss. We need to extrude the circle from mid plane up to 20 mm. Choose OK. By selecting rotate view, you can see here is a shaft is created. Exit. Select normal. Now we need to create a 10 mm circle on the same plane and from the origin point. Specify the dimension of the circle as 10 mm. Again select features, extruded base boss. Now first we need to select offset from the center. So select offset and specify the offset dimension as 2 mm and extrude it up to 1 mm only and choose OK. Isometric view. Here you can see the frame has been created for the pins. Now select mirror and the body what we need to mirror here and choose OK. So here you can see a mirror image has been created. Now go to the sketch, select this surface and sketch. Create one circle here from the origin point and the dimension of the circle is 7.5 mm. Choose OK. Now we need to create a center line also in this circle at an angle of 135 degree. Select center line, choose origin point and draw one center line up to 135 degree and exit. Now select line and create one line from this point up to our frame. And we created a whole surface in the frame, so we connect this line up to the hollow surface at this point. Exit. Now exit from the sketch. Okay, now hide front plane and go to the features and create a reference plane. Select plane and select this one, but here a front plane or a front reference plane has been created, so we don't need it. So close it and select, first we select top plane, after that we select reference plane and we select a top plane for, and now we select this point because we need a plane at this point. Choose OK. Now we select this one top plane and go to the sketch. Now select circle and draw one circle at the point where we connected a line. So we need to check where the point is. So now we specify the point exactly. Okay, so choose circle and draw one circle at this point, and the dimension of this circle is 0.2 mm. The circle is too much lower, and I think the dimension is improper in between this. So we need to create one more. Let's choose circle and go to this point. Choose this point and then make a circle as 0.2 mm. Okay, now the circle is perfect. Now we go to this features and select swept bossways, because we need to create a sweepted bossways. So select circle, and for the path select this one and OK. Here exit from the sweep boss base, and we will see a pin for our use is created. So now we need to hide these both top plane. So go to the top plane and hide. One more time, hide it. And now we select front plane and go to the sketch. Here you can see a pin has been created, and we want number of pins for the complete circular pattern. So we will go to the patterns and select here circular sketch pattern. We need parameters, so select this one and we need to equal spacing, entity for the and it is showing that something is missing. Here is the direction, rotation or entities to pattern. Now select entity. You want to select entity, but we are not finding that the entity has been selected. So first we cut this, the error has been occurred, and first we need to exit from the sketch. Okay, now we again select pattern and circular pattern, and now we can select this entity and axis of rotation. So zoom out and select the axis of rotation. So here we can see number of pins has been created, but these are too much, so we can reduce them. These are 80, but we need approx 80 to 20 pins, so we are giving here 20 pins, 20 number of pins, and choose OK. Here you can see 20 number of pins has been created in it. So now we'll be on the normal and choose rotate view. First we rotate the view because we will created these pins on that side, and now we need to create these same pins as this side. So select this face and go to the sketch, and now select circle again and draw one circle here as 7.5 mm. As similar as previous, we need to select a center line, and now create a center line from the origin point at 135-degree angle. So this is 135-degree angle, and exit. Select line, and from this point up to this mid surface. So this line we need to connect in between these two pins. So we will select a midpoint of these two pins. So here is the midpoint of these two pins. Select exit. Now we again wanted to create a reference plane at this place. So first we zoom out this and then exit from the sketch, hide front plane, select again top plane, go to the reference plane and select this point. So here you can see a point has been created, and choose OK. So we have created a plane at this place. So select plane and go to the sketch. Now we can see here is our point to create a circle. So choose circle and go to this point, zoom in, and now create one circle here as 0.2 mm. So the circle has been created. Choose OK. Go to the features, swift boss base, select circle, and for the path select this one, choose OK. So here as previous, drawing has been constructed. So first we zoom out this, OK, and go to the normal. And now again we need to hide these two planes and select front plane. Go to the sketch. So here we can see this line has been created here, and we can see it here. This one we created right now. So we need to circulate this pattern also. So go to the features. First we need to exit from the sketch. So exit and then select the patterns, and here we need to select a circular pattern. Select circular pattern, and here is you can see features and faces what we need to circulate. So this one we need to circulate, so select this one, and we want direction, so select any one for the direction. And here we can see 20 number of patterns has been created, and choose OK. So here we can see our frame is ready. Now hide front plane and choose right plane, because our frame is completed and now we need to create our tire. So choose right plane and go to sketch. Now zoom in, select some of these here, this line. With shift select this line, zoom out. With shift select this line, and similar as the other hand, select from these two and click on convert entities. So here you can see entity has been converted, and now we need to select line, connect these 2 points. So here we can see a small line is extra for the drawing, so connect this one, choose exit, and for that and that type, first we connect these 2 points, choose line and connect these 2 points and exit. Now we need to trim the extra line, so select trim entity and go there and select the extra line what we need to trim. As similar as that, this side, and trim. Choose OK. Now we need to select a 3-point arc for creating tire. So select 3-point arc and connect between from this point to the other hand on the outside point, this point. And now we can see here choose OK. We need to specify the dimension of this arc, so select smart dimension, select arc and give the radius of this as 4 mm. And this is created. Now we need to go features and select revolve boss base. Again we forget to draw the axis of revolution, so zoom out and select sketch, center line, and draw one center line from the origin point as horizontal axis for revolved base boss. Okay, now we can the features revolved boss base, and here you can see a revolved has been created and we can see this. The tire has been created fully. For adding some material or some colors on this drawing, hide this plane because we don't need it right now. Select appearances, go to appearances and select material. For this we will select rubber, and in rubber we will select matte rubber, and the matte rubber has applied in this. From now we will select, and we can also select these commands from the specification tree. So if we want to select these, so we can select, you don't need plain, and revolved. Actually we need to select a first revolved, not second. Revolved one. Okay, so we need to apply material on it, so we can select again this from revolve one, extruded base boss, mirror. Okay, this is getting something wrong, so we can select it. Sweep to circular pattern, and now we will go to the appearances, select metal. For this we will select the steel and polished steel, applied. So here we can see polished steel is applied as the material. Okay friends, so for today this as much. I have tried to explain all the things about this bicycle tire design. For more videos, please subscribe my channel and don't forget to share and like. Now we will meet on the next video with a new and a specific project on SolidWorks. Thank you.